This is a Polaris missile, which is in Goddard Park in Auburn. And it's a wonderful place to go visit. You can see a replica of the very first rocket that Goddard himself did launch, which isn't this one here. This is a Polaris missile, which is just part of the whole space theme that they have at the park. It's a nice place, it has benches, it has a waterfall, there's often ducks swimming around, so it's a great place to go visit, take pictures, and enjoy yourself for an afternoon. So we're going to do a couple of different kinds of projects with this. You can draw with just a regular pencil. You can draw with a pen. This is called urban sketching sometimes. You can draw with a pen and then use watercolor to color it in. You can paint just with watercolors on regular paper, and you can see it has a different kind of effect on regular paper. This is called a crayon resist watercolor, where you make the edges with white crayon and then you color it in with watercolor. Oh look, here's the other cat. You're going to get all the cats today. Hello kitty. You just had to be part of this too? I know, it's all so exciting. Come down. And then, if I can get around the cat here, you can do just regular crayon. So you can do whatever you have on hand. Alright, I'm going to put this cat on the floor. That cat can sit right next to me because they're not in the way right now. And I will put the different artworks over on the side.